In this video, I will discuss big time savings coming up. Hi, Tim with Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments, helping you make your money grow and outlive your lifestyle with a focused approach. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. For the first time in 10 years, returns on most online savings accounts, no brick and mortar, only online savings accounts. These savings accounts are outpacing inflation, which is 2%. We have the Federal Reserve, thanks for this nice gift. The Federal Reserve, which has included rising interest rates, savers with money in these online savings accounts are going to start reaping the benefits. Yields on CDs have not been this attractive in 10 years since 2009. CDs are a secured bank deposit with a specific interest rate that requires money to be stored for a length of time in order to earn a return, say 6 months or a year. At that time, you will get all your principal back plus the interest rate. A 12-month would have outperformed the S&P 500 by 8% in 2018. Pretty impressive, huh? CDs are issued by banks and issued by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation up to $250,000. Tend to earn more money than a traditional savings account because banks are not willing to pay more and hold larger amounts of money in them. With a CD, you cannot withdraw the funds before the expiration maturity date without a penalty. Since interest rates have been low for 10 years, it has taken a long time for banks to raise the rates, making it a losing battle for all of us. I transferred all my savings account from my U.S. bank to Ally Bank, and I love it. Some banks are actually raising the interest rates above 2% and making CDs more attractive and safer than a 10-year treasury. Goldman Sachs, which is now paying 2.25% interest, American Express is paying 2.10%, Ally Bank, which is paying 2%. I am using Ally Bank. I transferred my money out of U.S. Bank in October of 2018 and transferred it to Ally Bank, and I am liking what I'm seeing with the 2%. You could still transfer money out of it into your traditional bank if you choose, or you can get a checking account with any of those online banks and transfer the savings account to the checking and then use your debit card just like you do at your traditional bank. So you are not holding money hostage and you can't get to it. You can get to it at any time you want. And I would encourage you to think about opening an online savings account. Thanks to the Federal Reserve, they raised the interest rates 4 times in 2018. And the prediction for 2019 is 2 more times. The inflation rate remains low, below 2%. What would you like to see in the next video coming up? Please leave a smash like button of what you thought of this video today. Thank you very much for watching my video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.